Is how you can find your username and your password for Spotify. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on this article which I'm on, the title is how to find your Spotify username. The reason for this is because there is no way to find out your password. You will need to remember it. If you forgot it, you should try the passwords you usually use, or if you have just forgotten it and there's absolutely no way for you to remember, you can just go ahead and reset your password and then make sure you write the new one down so that you don't forget it. Now, to find out your username, you have home screen and tap the settings button in the top right, which is the gear shaped icon, and then from there you need to click view profile, which would be the first option, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your profile, select share, select copy link, and paste that link anywhere. Once you paste it, you'll see something like this, and the last segment, everything before this question mark here, is your username. So in this case it will all you have to do is go into the home screen, then go to the display name drop down by going to the top right, clicking the downward arrow, and next you can view your username, your email, your date of birth, and country or region, and that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys on another video.